names?
My name's Lily.
My Lily?
name's Macy.
And you're with...
I'm gonna show you how to make a worm hotel. So, you need one of these.
Yeah, and then you get a scoop of rocks.
Yeah, scoop of rocks.
I'll do this first.
1/3. The rocks are to help drain out.
It's to help it drain?
Yeah, the water.
Okay.
Out.
And then in here is worms, and we need 6 worms. So, can you help me find them, Miss?
Okay, I'll help you find them. What? It doesn't matter.
You just reach in with your hands and grab those worms?
Okay, I found them.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, I can't believe I'm doing this. What am I gonna do?
I'll get them. Okay, so here's one.
I got a baby.
There you go.
Here you go. Okay, so here's 1,
I'm regretting
2,
this a little bit.
3, 4. Okay, so here's 4.
Regretting your choice.
There you go.
5. One more.
Get those worms.
Oh my god, I need to wash my hands.
6. Okay, 6. Okay.
Put 'em
Are
in
there
there.
any stuck to the...
So,
Okay,
and
now
so
we're gonna
this
get
is
some food.
this is to feed them?
Yeah, you don't really want to feed them veggies. You don't want to feed them fruit.
You don't want to feed them fruit?
This is a mixture of some veggies and tea. So we're gonna put just 1 spoonful of it right there. Now we're gonna tear paper into 1/4 or less, and then we're gonna put them in only 5 inches tall is what we want.
So it's 5 inches tall?
Yeah, that's really about it, Lily. That's good.
Okay. And then you need to spray some water.
Okay.
Done.
Get a cover.
Oh, will this fit?
Yep, that fits. Okay.
And then you need to sign this.
Okay.
Oh, I have to adopt the worms and take care of them?
Yeah, so
Okay.
you gotta fill them out.
So, and then what am I going to get out of this? What happens with these worms?
Well,
You
you get even more worms if you take care of them right.
take care of them right, and this is how to take care of them.
Okay. And do we collect the worm poop?
You
Is that what we
can.
do?
I think you can.
You know that the worm poop actually feeds plants? It's great for the plants. You're doing good stuff for the plants. So you can play in the garden more.
Okay.
So what school? What's your school?
Saccarapa.
And you guys are having fun doing this, right? Okay.